In this video, we'll show you how to password protect an Excel spreadsheet against unauthorized access or unauthorized editing. Okay, so there are a few ways we could password protect a spreadsheet. So let's imagine on this spreadsheet we want people to be able to access it but not to be able to edit it. So to do this, one of the most easy ways is to click on the Review tab and then click Protect Sheet. Then we'll give it a password. And we're given the opportunity to enter in twice to make sure we don't make a mistake. And now if you try and edit it, you'll get this message telling us that it's protected. Because my workbook has got 3 tabs, I need to do this for each tab. You'll probably find that these default ticked options here will suit you fine, but have a read through them and just check to see if these suit you better if you change the options. And last one. So now if I was to save this file, no one could edit this without any without the password. The protect workbook button next to it does a different thing, so that protects the structure of the workbook. What that means is you can't add or delete any tabs, but you can still edit the data. So probably the protect workbook button won't do what you want it to do. It's the protect sheet button that does it. Okay, but what if instead you wanted to completely block access to the file, or maybe you just make the file read-only? There's a different technique of doing this. So what we need to do is do File, Save As, and then click the More Options button here. And then you're given a secret button down here called Tools, and if you click this and press General Options, now you're given the options to force someone to have a password to open it or a password to modify it. So password to modify, if you just enter the password in there, that would make it so the file was read-only unless they had a password. Or the password to open is obviously they can't open the file unless they have the password. This read-only recommended option, this gives the user a gentle reminder that they should open the file as read-only, but it doesn't force them to do read-only. They can ignore it if they want. It's worth pointing out at this stage that Excel doesn't have any kind of password recovery facilities, so make sure that you either keep a hidden record or make sure you can definitely remember your passwords before you do this. If you want more help, the next thing to do is visit our website at Spreadsheets.Pro. We offer professional spreadsheet services to help you repair, upgrade, or create new spreadsheets in Excel and Google Sheets. We also have a tutorial blog aimed at beginners and small business owners, and we have a selection of ready-made, free and premium spreadsheets available to download.